Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching me pack my lunch today. We had fajitas tonight, so I think I'm going to use some of the extras and make a Southwest salad for tomorrow. First, I'll just start with a bed of lettuce, and that's just regular green leaf lettuce that I chopped up and washed. And I'll start with some of the leftover, it's like a Southwest corn mixture. It's got black beans, red peppers, and corn. And I had just a few pieces of chicken left, so I'll just go ahead and dump those in. They've got some of the sauteed peppers and onions also, and I'll add to that a little purple onion. Some mixed cherry tomatoes from my garden. I've got one of those little packs of black olives. I'll just dump the whole thing in because I really like olives. And then I'm going to put a little Monterey Jack cheese just because I feel like Monterey Jack is a good cheese for a Southwest salad. I'll stick that right in the middle if it wants to come out. There we go. And we're almost done, but we need at least one more thing. And I'll close that up because I don't need to pack it in the salad. I'm just going to pack some tortilla strips to go along with it. That'll give it a nice crunch. And then I'll either put some Chipotle ranch or regular ranch with it, whatever I'm in the mood for. And I'll have to see what's left in the refrigerator also. So there we go, I'll just put those strips away. And with it, I'll also pack an avocado. I didn't want to slice it up and put it in there because it'll just get all brown. So I'll just cut it up right before I eat the salad. And then to go along with it, I need something to drink. So I'll just grab a nice can of soda. I think I'll have Coke Zero today. So that's it. That's what I'm having for lunch today. I hope you have a great day. Take care.